will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon Prime Video app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on stream in Thailand, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then you click here on streaming quality, click on it here. Then you come here to use Ace quality on Wi-Fi, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's me use Ace quality on Wi-Fi enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.